So what we're going to be looking at first is how to install Unreal Engine 5. I thought I'd just do a little video on this just because some people find it a little bit confusing initially when they've never installed an Epic product. So if you find this helpful, please do like, subscribe and hit that bell, as it helps me get up the YouTube algorithm, and also it helps you because I end up doing more videos. So what we'll do is we'll go to your search engine of choice. I'm using Google, and just type in Unreal Engine download. Then we want to find the one that says download Unreal Engine. And this is going to take us to their website. Excuse my internet's not the fastest internet, so that's going to take us to their website. Now, you've got two choices of download here. You've got the creator's license and the publishing license. The publishing license allows you to basically use it for game development and then publish it. The difference is one takes royalties, one doesn't. I use the publishing license because it says here for the first $1 million, you don't have to pay anything after that. You have to pay a 5% royalty. So I'm not being funny. If you're making over $1 million, you're probably not going to be following this. So we'll just stick to using the publishing license. Reason being, it's just what I've always used over there. I think exactly, to be honest, I think it's the same thing, but when you agree and sign up, you're given a different license type. So then what you want to do is click on download for publishing license, and it'll take us here. This is going to set our Epic installer downloading. And then if it doesn't pop up or doesn't start downloading, you can just hit the retry button. So I'm just going to stop that. So once that's done, what you want to do is double click that wherever it's downloaded and just install it and follow like a usual program install. And then what will happen is when you double click the Epic Games sort of launcher, you'll be taken to something like this. So this is the sign in page. What we want to do is, I'm going on the principle that you don't have an Epic account, so you'll go to sign up and then choose your type here that you want to use to sign up, then follow the sign in procedure. What I'm going to do is just pause the video here and just sign into my account. So once you've signed into your account, you'll be taken to a page similar to this. Now, the reason this is showing games is because Epic's game launcher is also a game store. For people who don't know, what we want to do is we want to go to the tab that says Unreal Engine. This can take a while for some reason, but not sure why. I think it's probably their servers, and you'll be taken to this section. Now, this section is sort of your sort of daily news type thing, featured content. As you can see here, screenshots and whatnot. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to the library, and I've already got 5 installed, but I'll show you what the procedure is to install this if you don't have it. So when you've clicked on library, you won't have any of these. This is current projects I'm working on, and down here is purchase content that I've purchased and things like that. But you won't. I'm going on the theory that you have not bought anything. This is a brand new account, so you won't have any of this. So don't worry about it if you don't. So what you want to do is find this little thing that says engine versions, and you want to click the plus sign. So what this is going to do is this is going to create this little thingy here, I don't know what, panel or whatever. And what you want to do is that you want to drop down this little arrow next to the number and find 5 early access. It's not appearing in the list here because I've already got it installed. But what you want to do is you want to select it. So select 5 and then press install. And then what this will do, this will install Epic Launcher, Unreal Engine 5, sorry. And you'll then end up, once it's done, with a solid blue tab here with the button ready to launch. So what we'll do is we'll move on to the next video. If you find this helpful, please again do like and subscribe, as it really helps me. And cheers.